In front of me is Xiaomi 13T, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. Begin by opening Themes app and selecting Themes section at the top in the middle. Then you can click on one of those right away, or click on one of those options: New, Categories, Characters, Top or Free. You can also tap on the search bar at the top and type in wherever you wish to. In my case, Halloween. Finally, just click on the best theme for you. I will go with this one and tap on Download at the bottom. Now select Customize and exclude some of those options by clicking on them. For example, if you wish to keep your current home screen wallpaper, click on it over here. When you're done, tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you need to access Themes app again and click on My Account on the main screen at the bottom right corner. Then select Themes section at the top. Click on your default one, Classic or Limitless, and tap on Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!